How to find videos you watched on Facebook. Let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of Facebook. To check that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in Facebook over there and then search for it. Once the app appears, at the right corner of the app you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app. With that, you will land to the home page. Now, head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you can find the settings icon. Click on it. Once you land to the settings and privacy page, over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under your activity, you will find the option of activity log. Go ahead and click on it. Now over here you can find different options, public posts, public tags and many more. Just scroll to the right. You will find the option of videos watched. Go ahead and click on that option. Now in this page you're gonna find all the videos that you have watched on a Facebook account. You can also clear those videos. If you want to do so, press and hold the videos that you wanna delete. After you are done with selecting the videos, you can go ahead and click on this option of trash. And that way all the videos will be cleared. Well, this is how you can easily find videos you watched on Facebook. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.